Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Project title is the Linear and Non-Linear Energy Harvesting Models via Multi-Antenna Relay Corporation in V2V Communications. And this is our abstract. Vehicle to vehicle communication or a component of a next generation wireless network that connect intelligent transportation system to construct the smart cities. Additionally, for energy sustainability and carbon neutrality, green communication are taken into the account in the V2V communication system. In the context, RF energy harvesting offers a battery-free energy source as a solution for V2V communications in the future. In this article, the use of the RF in a V2V communication is taken into the consideration and is shown as how the use of the antenna at the relay affects bit error probability of a dual hop decode and forward relay system. This project presents a communications between vehicles to vehicle to avoid the accidents and is the effective solution for the overcrowding. This communication between the vehicles is based on the model of V2V network. For the better way to find the shortest path is PSO. So we implement in our vehicle communication for the distance between two vehicles, and finally find the attack or non-attack node security for the communication to reduce the power consumption, traffic congestion, and to increase the network lifetime using the data aggressive schema. For the verification of our process, calculate some parameter as the output: energy dissipation, network lifetime, and throughput, latency, and number of nodes. This is our objective. The scope of this project is to design a vehicle communication by V2V communication by the implementation of the PSO algorithm for the power consumption decreasing and to avoid the traffic congestion, and also to increase the network lifetime and data accuracy. Finally, we calculate some parameters like energy dissipation, network lifetime, throughput, latency, number of nodes. Aim of the project are as follows: reduce the power consumption, to avoid the traffic congestion, to increase the network lifetime and data accuracy. This is our flow diagram. From the start point, first we initialize the system model, then we want to initialize agents for our PSO algorithm. Select the possible path because it is work in the V2V communication. First of all, we want to find the possible paths, then create the cluster heads for the path group, and then best path for the transfer messages, and find the network lifetime for the cluster heads. The cluster head who have the more network lifetime, it receive more messages, and finally find the energy dissipation for the path, and best path for the energy dissipation, energy estimation for our path, and as well as our nearby path, and fitness evaluation. Finally calculate the fitness evaluation with the VR and the SNR. After executing program, our graphs will like this. The figure 1 represents the system model. We design one system model for our initialization process, and figure 2 is the number of cluster heads. Number of cluster heads means we want to group the nearest heads. That nearest group has one cluster head. So these are the number of cluster heads in this. And next one is the average energy consumption by the different protocols. Average energy consumption, because we have the two protocols here. So average energy consumptions like which one has the energy consumption is more, and then this is the average node residual energy, and this is the number of surveying nodes in the both protocols. This is the number of packets received, and this is the time at which the first node and the 30% of nodes are dies at the different protocols.